I'm so excited. Oh my God, I'm excited. That's my coffee. I'm Danielle Clough. I'm an embroiderer from Cape Town, South Africa. I'm on Instagram as Fiancé Knowles, and I've worked with people such as Nike, Gucci, the United Nations, Netflix, and a bunch of other people. Today's class is about finding your own voice in embroidery, learning the basics like stitches, French knots, color blending, and how to transfer designs onto fabric. You'll also learn how to make your own reference images and then how to play with colors and create something very different from a traditional embroidered piece. If you already have a creative inclination and just would love to see your work in a different form where you can just really viscerally experience it, it's just such a game changer, and I really can't recommend it enough for anybody who has a vision and wants to find and see it through a different way. The one thing that I really hope that you take away from this class is the confidence to start something new and to make mistakes. Really, I can't emphasize enough how much it's totally part of the process to make mistakes. You can always take out your stitches and start again. And this is only the beginning of growing and developing and becoming a stronger, better creative. I'm so excited to share this class with you. So let's get started.